Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. We're gonna hop on FiveM's best server and we're gonna be testing out some of their cars, and in today's video you guys are gonna be doing that with me. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. But before we start, please like this video, drop a comment down below if you've been enjoying my content, because it gives me really good feedback, as well as helps the channel and keeps me really motivated to keep uploading content for you guys, as well as drop a subscribe if you haven't done so already. So let's get started. We spawn as the FBI agent today. Vehicle related options, vehicle spawners. Okay, so we're gonna go through some of these cars that are pretty cool. Okay, we got the RS3 Sportback from 2018. We got the Aston Martin 3 Series Beamer 7. Ooh, they got the 7 Series Beamer. I actually drive a 7 Series in real life, so let's actually hop in this car and see what it is. Oh, no way. This is the old school 7 Series. Oh my god. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Oh my god, just like it did back in the day. Wow, this is an actual phenomenal car. So now we got that one. We're actually gonna, I like this car a lot. I'm gonna customize this car right now. I love older cars. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep the car clean, wash the vehicle, go to the mod menu. Oh, okay. We can okay, so they have an M Sport bumper, which is probably what we're gonna do. Let's see what type of back bumper they have. Okay, we're gonna keep it stock. We're gonna go full engine, race tranny. We're gonna slam that car. Oh my god, this thing looks amazing. We're gonna keep the original Beamer wheels on. We're gonna go xenon headlights. Yeah, we're just gonna keep it original. We're gonna turbo it, bulletproof tires. I think so. We're gonna go all black. Dude, the Brabus 850. Let's see what else we got here. You guys hear those backfires? Oh my god, they sound so nice. We're gonna keep that car. Vehicle colors, primary. We're gonna keep it black. Or should we go metal black? Okay. Interior, we're gonna go with a red. Neon kits, nah. Liveries, no liveries. Extras. Okay, the spoiler. Sometimes you don't know what, like, oh, it's the front license plate. Probably need that. Let's see here as well. Flash beams. Flash. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually go to the F6 wheel menu, suspension menu. We're gonna slam this car. That's what I like. 7. Okay, that's the stancer. Handling editor. Okay, we're just gonna keep it stock. And let's actually take this one for a quick spin around the block here. Oh my god, you guys see this? Alright, let's see. How do we even get out of here? I think we gotta go over here. Full throttle? See what it sounds like on the inside of the car? Dude, this just sounds so realistic. my god. It's a Beamer. I need to get back on the actual road. This thing is drifting. It just looks so nice. Oh my god. This thing is so nice. Dude, it sounds so nice. Oh my god. Different one. Okay, so we got, that was the 7 Series E32 from back in the day. They got a whole bunch of cars in here. They got the Cube, the Ferrari F40. Oh my god. Let's see what that looks like. I mean, I'm not gonna drive the Ferrari F40 because I'm more into oh my god. Yeah, this thing is clean, man. I remember this from back in the day. It was like one of my favorite cars. But I don't know, I'm not really into cars like that, exotic cars like that. I'm more into like the old school cars. Look, they got the old school Civics. Let me see which one this is. They got that one. I really like that one. I mean, I do like these. I mean, I remember back in the day, I was like super young guy, and you know, you'd see these on YouTube when YouTube first came out. That's the new Civic. Let's see if they have the old school Civic. I really like these. Okay, that one is super ugly. I don't know, I could never drive this in real life. Oh, this one's super old too. They got the, okay, so it looks like they don't have the two-door one. They got the G35. This is like loved by so many people. Oh my god. Let's see, the Lancer, the 400Z. They got, okay. Oh, this guy's trying to kill me right now. We have to go hide somewhere again. The G35 was moving, not gonna lie. Let's see, they got the Tesla Model X, Toyotas. These are all compact cars, so these are like the smaller ones. I really like this RS3. Oh no, no, not this one. It's two RS2 Avants, 95. Let me see here. Hello?
Okay, hi baby.
What's up?
Okay, my mom, she's gonna use the phone because she's making like some food and she doesn't know how to make it yet, so she has to like
That's fine. I'm making a YouTube video right now.
Okay, that's perfect. I'm gonna call you. She said she just needs it for like 15 minutes because she just needs to know how to do the stuff. Okay?
Okay, baby, I love you.
Call me when you're done, my love.
Alright, baby. Alright, I love you.
And I love you too, baby.
Bye. Alrighty. Okay, so looks like they got this E21. So these are compacts. Let's go sedans. Okay, they got the, oh, this one. I heard this car in real life, the Alfa Romeo Giulia, is like faster than the E63, which is pretty cool, honestly. You know, you got the A3, A6, A8. I've never really been a Audi fan. Oh, not the S4. These things are clean. Yeah, these things are fast, man. The S8, that's, dude, if you guys ever watched The Transporter, that's the car from it. Let's see, they got the E46s, the E90s. This one's pretty cool. I like this car right here. I think it's loading up right now for us. I know a lot of people drive these cars. I don't think this is gonna be the one. Okay, so they got the Cadillac CTS's, the Volts, a lot of Fords, Honda Accord from 86. No way. Let's check that thing out, man. Oh god, bro, this thing, before the Kia boys, this is what the Kia boys are running in. They got the Honda Civic. Oh, this is the one. Yes, Fast and the Furious Civic. Oh my god, with the underglow already built into the car. You know, we're probably gonna, let's customize this one. I like this car. Vehicle options, let's go. Oh, nope. Vehicle, no extras, no liveries, neon kit. Let's go lime green. Vehicle colors, black. Mod menu, turbo at bulletproof tires. We're gonna go pure black. Let's see, we're gonna probably go with this. Oh yeah. You know what we need to do though? We need to adjust the suspension. Yep. This thing is so clean, man. Front wheel drive. People out. This thing is so clean. This is what everybody swings in the city. Pretty clean, not gonna lie. We're not gonna save this car even though we want to, just because we want to go through some more cars here. They got the old school Mercedes, the W124s. Let's see what that looks like. Ooh, yes, this thing is actually clean, and the monoblock rims on it. This thing just reminds me of like the old school mafia cars. Let's see what else they got. Oh, they got the E55. No way. And it handles so nice. Oh my god. Oh yeah, we're gonna save this one for sure. Mod menu. You know, Zelon. Nah, it doesn't need turbo because it's supercharged. Kids, extras. Got the splitter. Oh yeah, we're definitely gonna save this one. W211. Dude, this car handles so nice. try out the R34 that I really like. You guys hear that backfire though? This is what I'm talking about, baby. Let's just start shooting good. Oh, he sucks at driving. Well, that's gonna be it for today's video. We tested out some cool cars. Absolutely, this is the Skyline right there, but my favorite car so far would have to be that W211, the E55 Mercedes AMG. Try out that car in Impulse 99 server. I guarantee it won't let you down. But thank you guys for watching, and that's gonna be it for today's video.